Alright, before the video begins, don't mind my face as I'm squinting. Y'all, welcome to my channel and my very first YouTube video. My name is Armani Jasmine, and as you can see from my t-shirt, a proud University of West Georgia alum, go Wolves, and your new go-to girl for fun, fabulous, and beginner-friendly beauty content. Today I'm showing you my no stress, no ball cap wig install. So grab your brushes, glue, or spray, and let's get into it. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl needs all the love she can give for this first video. Okay, so I detangled and moisturized my hair, and I greased my scalp, and then I did some quick and simple plaits, as flat as I could get them. Very beginner friendly. If you don't plait, you can add some flat twists, or just do a super flat slick back ponytail. However you find it to be the quickest. Shout out to anyone out there balancing beauty routines with college life, because this is where I definitely learned how to keep it simple. Like, who has time for perfection when you're running between classes and events and work? Like, right, okay, we're skipping the ball cap and getting straight to business. Like I said, I put the wig on my head, make sure it fits. I added some notches where the wig lies, so I don't put the spray or the gel too far down on my forehead. I let it dry down a little bit. Slick back my edges before I put the band on, and I let it sit about an hour. After it dries, I'm gonna go ahead and do some extra plucking, trim down any of the wig that isn't tacked down by now. Let me see. Add a little bit of spritz on the edges where I just trimmed down just to make sure that it was all flat. Then put my band down for another like 15 minutes maybe. And I'm gonna add, pluck a little bit more, then get to styling. Y'all bear with me now, cause why is it so hard to make one side look like the other? I just don't understand. In my mind at this point, these edges is gonna be sisters, not twins, because I'm over it. It's time to style this hair. Time is a ticking. Literally, as I'm curling his hair, I know that I'm not the best at it, but I just don't have the time to flat iron this hair bone straight and get to this meeting on time. So, curls it is. As I'm looking at this hair, I'm hating it. I'm hating the way the edges is looking. I'm hating the way the middle part is looking. It's like, okay, let's do this side part. Maybe I can cover up this other edge if I can cover it up. Throw a little bump into the side. It won't be bad, because I just was not feeling that middle part. I just kept looking at it like, what am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know have time for my hair to look a mess. Like, Real quick, if you're still here, I just want to say thank you for supporting me and watching my video. Whether you like wigs or you just wanted to see what's up, I just want to thank you for supporting me.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
the sarcasm is
yeah.
real.
Yeah,
Literally,
yeah.
this hairstyle is
Free,
literally irritating
free.
me. These
Look,
top curls is
if I'm
not sitting
being
the way I
honest,
want them
girl,
to
you're the
sit.
only one that I need.
But,
But I'm not being
eventually
honest,
time
girl. I only
will tick
lie to
down.
me.
It what's
Think
done is
about the
done.
mornings when you put it up on me. Girl, let me sleep. Girl, let me sleep. If I'm being honest, girl, you're the only one that I need. But I'm not being honest, girl. I only lie to me. Think about the mornings when you put it up on me. Girl, do your thing. Girl, do your thing. Never mind, I kinda want it. Girl, you find out.
Finally, that
With
bump is sitting
all
the way I
your
want to sit.
every
Now it's time to
moment
do
in
these side
emotion.
curls, set the edges.
Hypnotize me. Take control, girl. Take control. Yeah. Baby, I know you the one, cause I treat you like you the one. This feeling doesn't always come. Willing to give up my life, fight for something never right. Girl, you make me feel right. Girl, you make me
All right,
feel,
time for the finishing touches. Like I said, I'll go ahead
feel.
and set the edges. Then I'm gonna do a little foundation, brow, lip gloss, and we're good to go. Nothing too dramatic, just enough to complement the hair. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my very first video. It means the world to me. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see next.